So another absolute banger trade taken this morning. I did alert this in my premium Discord down below. Get yourself in the free Discord, by the way, down in the description. But as we can see, another absolute banger trade with my model. I'm going to go through this trade and why I took it. Here is my checklist of everything that I look for before I take a trade. We've got liquidity above because we are at all-time highs, so I'm trying to target all-time highs. So that is my first criteria for a trade that I want to take. And then I'm looking for a sweep. I'm looking for a sweep of liquidity. This is what we got here. We're also delivering and bouncing out of this 30-minute gap here, which never closed, which is really bullish. You can see we have been holding bullish order flow all morning. And this is what I look for. So what have we got? We've got liquidity. My all-time highs being targeted. We've got the sweep. We've got a bullish reaction. We've got momentum here. As you can see, we get the bullish reaction. We do close above the gap. This one wasn't a 3-candle pattern V-shape, so I did take it with a bit lighter size and a bit smaller than usual. But as you can see, this was an absolute banger and worked out pretty much instantaneously. And if you take a look here, this is what I do. So I enter on the inverse after the sweep. We've got the confirmation here. So I enter here. As you can see, we've got the inverted fair value gap. Once that closes back above, I enter. This is a 5-minute trade. Lots and lots of orders in here, so I was expecting this to work. And then you can see I've got a very, very obvious and clear criteria. I wait for a 1R to get hit. Gets hit in the first 10 minutes. I scale half my position and go break even on the rest. So this is now at break even, and I'm just leaving runners for all-time highs. And that is the entire trade, guys. It really is that simple. Absolutely incredible trade. I'm currently about 2R up on this trade almost. I'm going to scale some more at this high if we hit this high here, and then I'm just going to hold runners to put back towards all-time highs, because right now, looking like we're probably going to continue upwards here. Obviously, you never know, might get break-even on the rest, but right now, an absolutely banger trade. Really, really good stuff. So, one more time, if you didn't understand what I've done here, I wait for the sweep of a low here. You can see on the 5-minute, pretty obvious sweep. I'm looking for the bullish reaction, big bullish candle here, and then I'm looking for momentum. You can see we came up and closed above this 5-minute gap. We create this 5-minute fair value gap which closes above, so I enter on the inversion. I'm sized for about $200 risk, about halfway between the low and the gap here. So if I get stopped out, if price comes back down here, I'll close the position. I don't have a manual stop. This is all I don't have an automatic stop, sorry. This is all manual stops. And basically, this was my trade, and then you can see it came up, hit 1R, and then I take $100 off if I'm risking $200, and then I leave the rest for runners. I've got 2 more micros on this, I believe. I'll probably scale some more here and just leave the rest towards all-time highs. But overall, an absolutely incredible trade, and I've been taking trades like this all the time. I'm not going to waste loads of your time because really I don't need to keep telling and waffling on at you about this, but you can see this worked out to absolute perfection. Probably going to go and hit the all-time highs if I had to guess. As you can see right now, we are just consolidating under this high here. So we'll probably go and hit this and then see what happens. But right now, as you can see, I've took another winning trade today. I did take a few trades yesterday, but price action yesterday, as you can see, was absolutely horrific in general. But in general, my model has been doing extremely well recently. If you do want to get more information about it, watch some more of my videos. I give my model out for free every day on the YouTube, so there's no need to buy anything from me. Join the free Discord down below. We're doing a giveaway once we hit 100 members. We're almost there. And if you do want to get alerts and signals, I alerted this morning in my premium Discord, and everyone in there bagged another win. That's like 10 wins over the past few weeks. It's been a pretty crazy time. Then do go down below. There's the premium WAP in the description. Consider signing up to that if you do want to get yourself some information about the trades that I take, alerts, and more education in there. And really, guys, that's it. I'm just going to watch this play out for the rest of the day and have, be done with having a winner, really. And that's it. Like and subscribe and do all the YouTube stuff, and I'll catch you in the next video. Cheers.